Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Rog, aka the Gourmet Grandad. Please join me while we make a delicious pork burger with cheddar cheese and apple sauce on a Weber barbecue. Now we start off with pork mince in a clean bowl. Now it depends how hungry you are on how much mince you have. I'm going to have 7 ounces. And then you want loads of seasoning, salt, pepper, and especially sage. Yeah, plenty of sage that goes in. Now we're going to give this a good mix. Bring it all together. Oh, don't miss those little bits on the side. Then we get out my little burger press and press the burger. Squish it down as tight as you can and as evenly as you can. If you haven't got one of these, you can improvise and use something else. But these are good little gadgets, I must say. There we go, that's pretty good, isn't it? Load up the Weber barbecue. I'm only going to use one side because it's all I need really. I'm only cooking one burger for me on a hot plate. Now we add some oil. Whoops, that's a little bit too much. I'll leave it like that, that'll be okay. I do love this outdoor cooking. So on we go. Leave it long enough to get nice and brown on that side. And gently flip it over. Get some good colour on the other side and make sure it's cooked right the way through. On with the apple sauce. It does go well together, pork and apple. Always does. On with some cheddar cheese. This was just a slice, lay that over the top, and then we put the barbecue lid on to melt the cheese just a little bit. Doesn't take too long. There we go. That looks delicious. So off we go. And we've got a lightly toasted bread roll here. On with the burger and the cheese, on with the lid. And there you have it. Well, cheers everybody. Now for the taste test. Yeah, that's really good. Excuse me for talking with my mouth full, but I can't resist it. It is so tasty. I'm pleased to put the cheese on. I was a little bit not sure about the cheese with the pork burger, but you know, it's gone down well, and the apple sauce as well. That flavour's coming right through. So there you have it. Please try this for yourself. Get the barbecue out, sun shining, it's a lovely day. Thank you everybody for watching this latest video. Please like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye for now.